Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel. Talking about the Ryobi cordless air compressor. This one I've got it about 10 months ago. It's got the inflator, which I never use, and it's got typical inflator for car tires, tractor tires, whatever. This is the P747 model, and as I discussed about 10 months ago when I made a video about it, does it work great? Absolutely. Right up until I burned it up. Used it to air up a tractor tire, and over the last 10 months used it on some campers and whatnot. So it's been working great. I mean, I can air up like 4 tires on one battery kind of thing. It just works good. I think it might have 2 different motors in it, because this side, when it was smoking, so I don't know, so I just went on Home Depot would not warranty it out because it's past 90 days. So I went on Ryobi's website, and apparently it's got a 3-year factory warranty. So I filed a claim for it. So we'll see what they can and can't do for me on that. Is what it is. Like I said 10 months ago, if it burns up, buy a new one, warranty it out. And that brings us to, there's the new model. There was another model that was similar to this one, but I have no need for the inflator. I'm not airing anything up besides tires, so I went with this one. Smaller, more compact. I wouldn't say lighter. I mean, the only weight of this thing is the battery's the only thing that weighs anything at this point. Exactly the same setup. Turn it on, start, stop, set your pressure settings, so we can go ahead and turn it on. And there you go. You just change your pressure settings here, whatever you want. Hit start, and it'll air up until it hits that pressure, and then you're done. Let's see, press and hold, shut off, I assume. Yep. So we'll see how this one works out, how long this one lasts. Not sure what the part number is because I just put the battery in. Part looks like it's a PBP004. That doesn't sound right. There it is. PCL001. So this will go back in the truck, and we'll see how long this one survives for. And we'll make a review of it the next time I go to use it. Catch you guys later.